Welcome to Beetle Media, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned at the end of the video where there's a sneak peek. Burnout. So, tire blew because we picked up a giant nail and it decided it didn't want to hang out any longer. I've never... Check that out. Shaved door handle. Been under this car before. Looks like we want to jack up about there. That's not even shows. We'll edit that out. We're gonna oh, sweet. Wonder where he's going. I hope he's not coming for us. Okay. Flat tires. Never a dull moment. Okay. There we go. Now, time to move all this shit and see what kind of we have to use. Donut? Are you serious? That sucks. Yeah. Looks like that well, you can still kind of hear the air coming out. So, I want to make sure that we don't have to deflate it. Well, I was trying to get the flyby for you guys. I don't know if you saw that or not. It's tubeless. Temporary. Oh yeah, I don't see anything that says deflate to inflate to 60. Inflate? It looks like it's already inflated. Really hope this thing's got air in it. I don't know why a tire with no air in it. So, we'll see. Poor guy. Not only can I not put this tire up like this, but like it's the only way it fits in the back is like that. So if I'm gonna have a real full spare tire in the back of the car, it has to be like that. What the f, Mazda? Can't put it down there, and I can't put it there. It's like, so I'm stuck with that. That's about as peeling as what he looks like right now. Are you shitting me? Dudes. Not feeling it. Not feeling it, Mazda. Not. Sorry, guys. I gotta go to work. You get to enjoy this other clip of something else that I've done. Enjoy. No. It just... Well, you can see it folds over on itself. Jesus. I didn't even go over like 50 or 55. Like legit though, that's not like a YouTuber thing. Oh well. Jesus, Mazda, what the f*** give me? What's up, guys? So they're getting the car fixed. It does appear that they're going to be able to patch the tire, which is good, because that means that the wagon is still on for the bill. If we actually had to replace the tires, that could get very expensive. And the build for the wagon would pretty much be on hold, as I twitch saying, due to the fact that it's not cheap to own a brand new vehicle. And unfortunately, if we did have to replace the one tire, we'd replace all four. It just makes it easier for us to know that no matter what, if down the road something jumped out in front of Mary, she ends up having to ditch the car. Literally, the front suspension's a little bit damaged. Completely warranty cover, all front brand new suspension parts. Or take, don't, if you don't want to have cool shit, then don't have cool shit. Then you can cut corners. If you want to have cool shit, can't cut any corners. That's where we're at, guys. Check out the absolutely amazing Barracuda. Check that out. Shaved door handles. That makes me think that it's a Formula S, but I'm not sure. Those wheels are sick. I didn't like the tailpipes at first, but they're kind of growing on me. Same with the tint. Wow. Very sick ride. Very sick. Whew. Makes me miss my Barracuda. I want my Cuda back. It's gorgeous. Dad never should have sold the Cuda. Never, never, never. Now I'm gonna have to spend like $10,000, $20,000 to own one of these, versus back in the day when it was a little cheaper. I love the fitment in the rear. Something needs to be fixed about the front. Fitment's not right. That's gorgeous. Guys, they fixed it. Yes! So, everything is perfect. We're gonna head out and go check out the motor for the wagon. Later! Woohoo! Yeah! I am very happy. I don't know if I can record it or not, but we're going to go check out the motor for the wagon. I'm not kidding you guys. A bird just flew low and damn near ran into the car. That would have been weird. Stay tuned. Where are you at? Stay tuned. Enjoy the semi-truck burnout you are about to see.